ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಎಲ್ರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಎಲ್ರು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್‌ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಕ್ಟೋಬರ್ 18 ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್‌ಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವೇ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾದ ಉಡುಗೊರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಗ, ಧ್ಯಾನ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಿಶ್ರಣವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕರವಾದ ಸಂಪತ್ತನ್ನ ಪಡಿಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹಿರಿಯರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ವಾಕ್ಯದಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಾ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಯೋಗ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಫೇರ್ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಕೈ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಲವಾರು ಕೈಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದು ಮುಷ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಉನ್ನತ ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಾದ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಷ್ಟೇ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಥ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು ಉನ್ನತ ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ. ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಹಲವಾರು ವೆಂಡರ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬರು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹೊಸಬರಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಾರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹರ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಪಿಲ್ಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ದಿವ್ಯಾ ಅವರೇ ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಬೊಂಬಾಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ, ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಏನು? ಅಂಡ್ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳೋ ಆಸೆ.
ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾ ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಾ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಘ 2018 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಓಕೆ, ಹಾ ಹಾ.
ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಗರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್
ಓಕೆ,
ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಸೊಸೈಟೀಸ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
ವಾವ್.
ಅದು 30 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದೆನೆ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಓ,
ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಫೇಮಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್
ಭಾರತದ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತವಾಗಿರುವಂತ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಢಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಎಸ್, ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು, ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಊರಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
ವಾವ್,
ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ರು ಇದೇ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ
ವಾವ್.
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್.
Yes. So what is the motive of doing this program?
ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್,
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಾ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯಿಂದ
Mhm.
ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
Wow.
Yeah, this is
Okay.
the land.
Oh,
We'll be
okay.
showing you that soon.
Uh-huh.
ಸೊ ಈ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್.
Mhm.
ಸೊ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ.
Mhm.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದ್ರು,
Mhm.
ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ ಅಂಡ್
ಏರಿಳಿತ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರತ್ತೆ.
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Right.
ಸೊ ಅಂತ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುವ ಸಾಧನೆಯಿಂದ ಸಿಗುವ ಶಕ್ತಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್.
ಎಸ್, ಈಗಿನ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 7 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ 11 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ
Yes.
ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂತಹ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಒಂದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದಿಂದ, ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಗಳಾಗತ್ತೆ? What all the changes where we can see by this pyramid and meditation program?
ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ನಾವು ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡದಿರೋ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದು ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಸಹಾಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಾ ಇದು?
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್, ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್.
So what about this program? Like how are you organizing weekly or monthly or daily coaching are you giving, and who is going to train for people?
ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹ್ಮ್.
ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ.
Mhm.
ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವ್ ಏನು ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಜಾಯ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿನೆಸ್ ವಿತ್
That's
ಯು
really
ಆಲ್.
awesome. ನನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಬದುಕೋದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ವಿ live with expectation.
ರೈಟ್.
Keep an expectation apart and sacrifice and give the contribution to the society ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇವರ ಮೋಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಈ ಥಾಟ್ಫುಲ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಕೋಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೋಚ್, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. ನಾವ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಯಾರನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ ನೀವು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಅ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. ನೀವು
ವಾವ್.
ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್.
Oh wow.
ಯಾ.
So what is the duration of this program? Like it's like 1 month or few hours or like an year course? How do you schedule this program?
ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಒಂದು 6 ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Mhm.
ಬಟ್ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಝೂಮ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ,
Mhm.
ಟೀನೇಜರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕೋ ಆ ರೀತಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್.
Like one curious question, Divya. Who is the founder of this program?
ಎಸ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. Yes, ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ.
ವಾವ್. ಸೊ ಗುರು ಮುಖೇನ ಯಾವ ಕೆಲ್ಸನೂ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಅಪೂರ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಗುರುಗಳು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆ ಗುರುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ what do you want to say about your guru?
ಎಸ್, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅರುಣ್ ಟು
ಎಸ್, ಅರುಣ್ ನಮ್ ತರಾನೇ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪಯಣ ಅಥವಾ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರುಣ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್.
Thank you.
Right, how are you?
Fantastic.
Oh,
As
that's
usual.
nice. Can you say a few words about your channel and the program and about your guru?
Yeah, let me start with our Guruji,
Wow.
Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji.
Yes,
Like he founded this organization, the big family. It is not an organization.
that's awesome.
So it's founded like in 1991. That's when
Ah.
it started, like Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement.
Okay.
Under that one, like we
Mhm.
are doing all the programs in US, in Atlanta from 15 years. Yeah, we've been doing these services 15 years.
Okay.
But ever since they asked us to, I mean, our organization thought of creating a meditation center, a
Mhm.
pyramid meditation center here.
Mm.
That's when we acquired a land in 2018.
Mhm.
And unfortunately, we were not able to make things there.
Right.
And again, like after we've been searching for the land for
Mm.
almost like 6 or 7 years.
Mhm.
And finally, we found the exact land that we wanted to have.
Congratulations
So
for
we
your
acquired this
team.
land in June.
Mhm.
Yeah, everyone is a volunteer here.
I know,
Everyone is a master.
Yes.
So we all like put our personal money to get this thing.
That's
We're
so
just doing
nice,
this
sweet
as a
of you.
service to the community.
Mhm.
We got many things from the community, so we
Mhm.
wanted to give it back. Yeah.
Krishna's principle is to contribute more.
Yes.
Right, that's what you all, we see
Yes.
Krishna in you all, right?
Thank you.
So about today's program,
Yeah.
what is the sanctity like? What sort of cooperation are you getting for organizing today's program? Do you have any sponsors or do you have any vendor stalls here, or what do you want to say about that thing?
Yeah, so right now how we wanted to see this event is
Mm.
everyone is spiritual enthusiast here.
Oh, yeah.
So whoever having a vendor stall there,
Mm.
of course in outside of the world,
Mhm.
everything is a competition.
Oh,
Every
yeah,
business
yeah.
is a competition.
Yes,
But when it comes to spirituality, everyone is a contributor.
correct.
Like we do not see it as a competition, we
Yes.
see it as a contributor to the society.
Mhm.
So of course they are practicing a different things there, but
Mm.
still they are contributing to the society in a spiritual way.
Mhm.
So we wanted to make a friendship with each and everyone who's been doing this service from, I mean, these guys are doing it from past 30 years.
Wow.
So we wanted to welcome them to our land, share their spiritual energy here.
Mhm.
We wanted to, of course, like we have enough energy, and we want everybody's energy, the
Right.
like-minded energy, the
Yes,
spiritual
yes.
energy, the helpful
Yes.
energy, the love,
Yes.
the freedom, the enlightenment. We want this to happen in this land as a group, as a family.
That's an
So
awesome.
that's the idea. So we have multiple groups, but we are one inside.
Wow, wow,
Yeah.
wow, that's nice. A question like how meditation will help any person, means what will be your answer?
Yeah, let's say if you do the gym,
Mhm.
where exactly it will help? It will help your physical body.
Yeah.
You'll have enough energy, enough strength to do any physical activity.
Mm.
right?
Mm.
Even if you have a lot of strength,
Mm.
suddenly someone criticize you or something happened in your family,
Right.
some mental stress
The
happened,
mental strength is very much needed.
suddenly you become weak,
Yeah, that's
right?
true. That's
Although
true.
like you are physically strength, you have anything that you can do in
Strong
the
enough.
world, strong,
But
but if you are mentally weak, then your physical strength will not be of
there is a
use,
saying
right?
that mind is a control of the body.
Yes.
Right.
So
That's
that's
true.
the reason we wanted to be mentally strong.
That's nice.
That's when you need meditation.
Right. Right.
So meditation can help not just your physical body, your
Mhm.
mental body, your emotional state,
Mhm.
you know, like your
Mm.
joyful state.
That's
You
nice.
become peace
Uh,
everywhere, like
wow. Wow.
irrespective of situations outside,
Uh,
you will feel calm
the
inside.
first
You'll
thing is
have,
we start to smile at least.
yeah,
The smiling
yeah,
will be the core step for getting higher version of getting peace
yes,
and
exactly.
prosperity like that.
The thing is, like, one meditator in the home
Mm-hmm.
can blossom the home, the entire home. So if one meditator is there in your team in the office,
Mm-hmm.
the entire team will become blossom, you know. Like likewise,
Uh,
if you teach meditation to one of the guy in your community, the entire community will become peaceful.
it's a healing therapy. What do you say?
Yes, yes,
Like
yeah,
so, people may be very much impressed nowadays about manifestation
yeah,
and healing
yes,
therapies.
yes,
Like so, they follow like a deep breath of meditation gives a lot of joyness in the body and the
yeah,
mind. Right.
yeah,
That's what.
right, correct.
So
Typically, therapy is done from outside.
mm-hmm.
Therapy, like I have to go to therapist to do the therapy,
Uh-huh.
but this is yourself.
Wow.
So you are actually mastering your body,
Mm-hmm.
your mind,
Mm-hmm.
your emotional state,
You're controlling
and
everything.
everything. You're
Mm-hmm.
mastering.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
So
that's nice.
yeah, you're controlling is like the situation is still worse, but you're trying to
Heal that.
suppress.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
That's
you're
nice.
not suppressing there, but
Mm.
you are actually trying to you know
Mm-hmm.
completely change
Yeah.
that.
Oh, what is the support you are getting from the community? Like, are the people supporting you, or any do you get any sponsors for your event? Since it's a non-profit organization.
So far, actually, whoever has identified the benefits of the meditation, like I really transformed my life.
Oh, is it? Okay.
So yeah,
Mm.
I mean personally, and then at a family level, or in terms of financially, in terms of at a job level, everything.
Wow.
So you don't have to go behind it, but
Mm-hmm.
everything will fall in place.
Mm-hmm.
So as just as a giving back,
Mm.
like I am like kind of sponsor,
I
and
realized
everybody
our
is a
sages
sponsor
used
here.
to do
But
the meditation. That's what they used to control everything.
yeah,
Right. That's what.
yeah, but we are not actually. This is one of the non-profit organization, completely
Mm-hmm.
no charge at
Mm-hmm.
all,
Mm-hmm.
and we strongly promote spiritual science,
Wow.
the ultimate science to understand yourself in a better way.
So
So
if I want to join to your course, means how long is the course? What is the curriculum of this course like?
sure, we have actually 21 days or 41 days challenges.
Mm-hmm.
Like it's seasonal. Every time we like Dasara has come, so
Oh.
we have done 9 days of spirituality,
Mm-hmm.
like in understanding the feminine energies, and Lakshmi has done one workshop
Mm-hmm.
on Kuan Yin.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like keep following us, we will have, but
Mm.
we have morning meditations at 5:30 to 6:30. This is
Okay.
free, anybody can
So
join.
is it virtual or
And
in person?
it's Zoom
It's
virtual.
Zoom.
Yeah,
Oh,
in person we have on
that's so
weekends.
nice. Like we are very free to
Yes,
access in our place itself, right?
yes,
Right.
wherever you're sitting you can do that
So
too.
you
Yeah.
guys have trained in this. Say a few words about your training experience.
The training means like there are a lot of courses that personally I have done,
Mm-hmm.
like PSSM level 1, level 2, level 3, and
Wow,
then
wow, wow.
spiritual tablets course, and
Mm-hmm.
then Seth Wisdom counseling workshops and all. So we are all certified spiritual counselors here.
Congratulations for all
Yeah,
of you then.
yeah,
Right. So, madam,
yeah,
what would you like to say about today's
Yeah, I'll
program?
add.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mm.
As you said, right? All the fingers make a fist to contribute to the
Yes.
society.
Yes.
We are doing the same.
Mm-hmm.
So we have taken the benefits, we have seen the benefits,
Mm-hmm.
and we know that we can spread this joy
Mm.
to everyone.
Mm.
And all we have to do is set an intention that
Mm-hmm.
we can do it.
Yes.
So for that, we learned, we trained, and we are here with so many like-minded people who can bring that change in the community.
That's nice.
Instead of, as you said, instead of running behind and of all the materialistic goals,
Yes,
office,
yes,
stress,
yes,
and all,
yes,
we'll
yes.
have a shift where we can enjoy spirituality and we can improve our living beautifully with the
That's nice.
meditation, with the all different. We have a transmission meditation, different. It's like no competition at all. You like that meditation, you contribute. You do it,
Hmm.
and you also contribute.
Wow, wow.
If you have some problem,
Hmm.
go see different modalities. We have many modalities here, aura checking and all.
Hmm.
So if we have that intention that we are all one and we are spreading this joy, everything comes along. We don't have to think. Like I never thought we have to start that 21 days of 1 degree shift.
That's nice.
When people are waiting,
Correct.
any one of us, like each one of us are ready with that intention. Someone will get the intuition, let's do it, and we are here with a program.
Yes.
It will happen that way.
I'm very happy that you are getting support of doing this activity, right? So without support,
No,
nothing is
nothing is
possible,
possible.
right?
All the only support we have is love
Mm.
unconditionally
Yes.
and intention
Mm.
that will not stop for anything.
Yes.
That's so nice. Good to hear the positive vibe where we can sense it, right? Yes, sir. What
I'll
would you
I'll
like
just
to?
add few things.
Mhm.
So all these programs, we are having a website called atlpma.org. It's
Wow.
Atlanta Pyramid Meditation Academy.
Okay.
That's where you'll actually find all these programs, like the
Oh.
morning meditation, the
Ah.
evening meditation, the
Ah.
weekend meditation.
Ah.
And also you can see our journey also, like what are the programs that we have done in the past and what is our vision.
Mhm.
So everything you'll find, like
So
if you
if
want to
somebody wants to enroll to your program, what is the process of enrolling?
process, very simple. Just log on to the website and
Mm.
see the details. You can
Mm.
just register there and you'll find it. Yeah. So it's
Whichever
all the
program
programs
you
are
like.
free. So the day one you start meditation, you
Mhm.
learn meditation. The day two you can teach meditation to anyone. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
So we are every day. The day one you learn meditation, you generally gets benefited from the meditation. The day two you will teach that to someone else. It's just like you go to one restaurant,
Mm.
you like the food there, and you'll ask your friends to come and join because the food is really good here.
I
So it's
know.
just like that. You
The
enjoy the
reviews
fruits
makes a
of
lot.
it. You enjoy the fruits of meditation, and then you can teach someone else who can.
Okay, so any age restrictions like a kid can learn or a age old person can learn the meditation? Do you have any age limitation like that
No
or
limitations as such. My kid is 4 years and 2 years,
wow?
and
Ah,
they do meditation easily. So there is no restrictions. The thing is, but each and everyone learn in a different way. So
yeah.
for that reason, we have kids programs that's
Hmm.
been offered. These are the two great grandmasters. They actually teach meditation for kids.
That's nice.
Yeah, there
Oh,
are some
okay.
youthful meditation programs now. See, like we have one more
Ah.
young
She
young
is
teenage
also a
girl.
volunteer. She
Oh.
Yeah,
guided in our program.
Oh,
she does
that's fine.
meditation and she
Okay,
teach meditation too.
They
that's
guide,
awesome.
kids
I'm
guide
Yeah,
meditation for other kids,
yes,
and they started in middle school.
and
yeah.
my one quick question is why can't you go to approach the individual schools or public schools or private schools like
Ah.
offering this sort of a free program so that you can get more channelized to the society?
That's the plan. That's the plan, and we are reaching out. Not only schools, we are reaching out to daycare centers. Now, we are corporates. Everyone, kids, because family doesn't have only kids or parents. It's
Exactly,
combined. So
exactly.
if we need a change in family, it's
Hmm.
both.
Yes.
And we did a family meditation program also. As family, they did, and it was so tremendously uh, no joyful to see them saying about their experiences.
How about in India? Sorry to deviate.
Yes,
How
yes.
about in India? India also, your organization runs with the same process?
Yeah, it started in India. You want to go about that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Where in India, if you want
Yeah,
to
in
say?
India, in Andhra Pradesh,
Mm-hmm.
we our masters went to collector office and they actually started this meditation as a curriculum in the schools.
Mm-hmm.
So they brought the books, and there is a book called Dhyana Vidyarthi.
Wow.
So it's like a meditation student. In that,
Okay.
you will have plenty of things like how the meditation can be introduced in your daily life and how
Mm.
it can help.
I wish this
Yeah,
should be a course for every student in every school,
exactly. That is what
right?
our vision
That
too.
should be the motive. I wish the same thing because
Yeah.
ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ ಇದು ನಾವೊಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಅನುಕರಣೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ದೇಹದ ಹಿಂಗೆ we eat food, we drink water, we sleep. It's daily routine. Like that, meditation should be a part and parcel of our life, right?
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಊಹಾಪೋಹಗಳಿದೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಸ್ವಾಧ್ಯಾಯ, ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಥವ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸಾಧುಗಳೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು,
ಓ
ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ವಯಸ್ಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಊಹಾಪೋಹ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್. ಯಾರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್
necessity is a mother of invention, so
ಎಸ್,
please try
ನೀವು
to be.
ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ರೊಟೀನ್. ಇಟ್
That's
ಇಸ್
so
ಸೋ
nice.
ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
That's
ಅಷ್ಟು
so nice.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
That's so nice. So
ಎಸ್,
what is your upcoming project like? Go ahead with that.
Yeah. So we have many programs coming in. Let me start with this. The immediate programs that we have is every month we'll definitely have one event, the big event. For this month, this is our biggest event,
Mm-hmm.
and we have World Meditation Day that's
Mm-hmm.
happening on December 21st. So it's a culturally the biggest event that we ever have conducted,
So where
because
in this place or somewhere where
it is
you're going to
actually
host?
happening around the globe. So we wanted to get all the 50 state masters
Mm-hmm.
come and join that meditation. We are all also joining on the same bridge. So they are coming from India, from UK, from
Wow.
Paris, from Europe. You name it, we
Mm.
have masters there, and we
Wow.
are going to connect onto the same
Mm.
line, and
Mm.
we do meditation at the same time.
Mm-hmm.
And not just that, like in this Atlanta Pyramid Meditation
Mm.
Academy, if
Mm.
you log on to our website, we
Mm.
will put all our charts. Like in the next December 8th, we have an event. December 1st, we have an event.
Mm.
We have
And
some
some
online
online
programs.
Work and
programs.
tell about
Yes.
Yeah,
MMS4.
MMS.
Yes,
Yeah,
MMS
MMS
4.
4.
Yes.
Yes. What is that MMS for?
A Mega Meditation Summit.
Okay.
MMS is Mega Meditation Summit.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, in India, we have Dhyana Maha Chakram,
Yes.
Yagam.
Mm-hmm.
It has been happening from past 15 years.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, more than 15 years.
Wow.
Where thousands of people, like 30,000 people come together.
Mm-hmm.
And there is a significance of group meditation. When
Mm.
you do meditation in groups,
Mm.
there's a lot of changes happens around. So it's called Maharshi effect. So you
Mm.
can Google what is Maharshi effect. So the same thing we are trying to do collectively. All state people come here
Mm.
and we meditate. It's a 3 days program. It's like a celebration and celebration with
That's so
lot of
nice.
yeah.
If we get a chance, we are okay to capture that
Oh yeah,
Oh
video,
yeah,
Yes,
please.
yeah,
yes,
so
yeah,
that
please do
it will
come
be
for
helpful for
December.
people
yeah.
who want to
That is
view.
actually it's a fourth version of the Mega Meditation Summit.
Wow,
Yes.
wow,
Yeah,
huh?
that's coming in
Fourth year.
Atlanta,
Mm-hmm.
and it's been happening from last 3 years.
Mm.
First time it happened. First time it happened in Dallas, and
Huh.
the second version happened in Raleigh, North Carolina. The
Wow.
third one in this
Huh.
year, it happened in Los Angeles, California.
Okay.
Yeah, where like
Fourth year.
all the people around the world and around United States come together and do meditation for 3 days continuously. Look about it, like just 1 hour of meditation can heal a lot of
Yeah, a
things.
small change makes
Yeah.
a difference a
Ripple
lot,
And the
right?
combination, let me tell you, the
Mm.
combination is
Uh.
if you do meditation in the group, that's going to do multiply, your energy going to multiply. If you do meditation under
Individual.
the pyramid,
Uh.
that's going to multiply more.
I'm
Group
very curious.
meditation
What
with
is like
pyramid.
pyramid? You have like a
Yeah.
pyramid shape
Yes.
object, or what?
Yes.
What is it?
Yeah,
Can
the
anyone?
significance of pyramid, yeah, I must tell you this.
Ah.
So the meditation actually helps heals everything it does, right?
Mm.
But if you do the meditation inside the forest
Mm.
versus if you do meditation in the office or in the land, in the society,
Yes.
there is a lot of change,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So in the same way, what happens if you do meditation under a pyramid,
Mm-hmm.
it is going to amplify your energy.
Wow.
It is going to be a catalyst for your energy.
Seriously.
So
Oh my
whenever
God.
you do meditation under the pyramid, it is going to improve 3 times more.
Okay.
So
Double
that's
the
why,
energy.
yeah, that's why we use pyramids to amplify our energy for the meditation.
That's
So that's
so
the reason, like
nice.
I do not want you to blindly believe.
No, no, no,
So
no.
what you have to do is always, like whenever we are seeing something, don't
Experience
blindly
it.
believe, experiencing it,
Yes.
experiment it.
Yes.
So you need to do meditation outside of the pyramid, in the forest, and then you do under the pyramid.
Yeah,
If you see a
that's
difference, then
correct.
just practice.
Yes.
Otherwise, yeah, you just practice whatever your mind says, your heart says.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Yeah.
I heard that you have a YouTube channel and you are a very good active person in social media. Could you please put a word about that?
Yeah. So I'm not actually the professional one, but my heart says that let's take this meditation message forward to every nook and corner
Yes,
of the world.
that's so awesome thought of
So
you.
that's the reason, like I'm using the social media.
Mhm.
You can find me in Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah.
LinkedIn, YouTube,
Twitter.
Twitter.
Oh, you please mention the
Yeah,
name
the
of your
name is ATLPMA. ATLPMA. It is Atlanta Pyramid Meditation Academy. You can find that in the YouTube, in the Instagram, in Facebook, and you have the same site, atlpma.org. So wherever you find us, just find us our upcoming programs. You'll find our recent happenings, all the programs, details, everything is available, and all the work is done by through absolute volunteers. There is
Wow.
nothing that we are paying. Everyone is coming
So,
forward doing
quick
it, and
question: if I ask how
she is
many
the one.
volunteers are joining, could you please number it?
Yeah, she will tell. She does all the social media work.
I know, I know, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, currently we have a very large group in Atlanta,
Mm-hmm.
almost 40 to 50 core team members who do it all with love, passion, and energy.
That's so sweet and that's so good to hear. Sweet to hear ಕರ್ಣಗಳು ಪುನೀತವಾದವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Kandita,
Right?
yes.
So you are doing a very fabulous work, team. No more words to express. You have changed my mind. The next thought comes in my mind is I should enroll to your program.
Wow.
Please.
Actually, it goes like this. It's like she said 40 and 50, right?
Huh.
But there are many volunteers, many masters who came for meditation. They are cooperating in some or the other way. They'll
Mhm.
send the flyers.
Mhm.
They'll tell to their friends.
Mhm.
They donate some
It's like
food.
word of mouth communication where
Everything.
it's
So
yes.
we consider everyone volunteer.
Mhm.
Like you are here with us,
Mhm.
and you're going to volunteer for December 21st
Yes.
to cover that. You don't have to wait for next year. Okay,
Committed.
21st you're coming,
Uh,
and there we have, as he said, we are doing in-person meditation
Sure.
with so many people, so
Mhm.
many people, everyone. You'll experience the change when you do with
Wow. Wow.
this group meditation.
Mhm.
Like how we no, instead of talking to your mom with over a phone,
Mhm.
if you go and in person, you
Mhm.
talk or just sit, the feel is different.
Yes.
When you have this group meditation, you will see the difference when you meditate.
That's so
Yes.
nice and
Yes.
sweet of you all.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
welcome you to Atlanta Pyramid Meditation
Thank you
Academy.
so much. Thank you so much, guys.
You become our family now.
You all are doing an effortless job where we cannot measure it. It's like unmeasurable one. So what I can say is your guru, blessings of him, and Almighty bless you all. Give lot much strength like this to do more good works at like a pyramid extent. So I'm very impressed, and moreover, I'm very happy to say that it's like more less expectation. No, it's zero expectational work, absolutely. And you are creating, you are educating people here. Not only you are educating, you are creating an awareness among the community, and you are giving you are enlightening people regarding how the importance of meditation, the sanctity of meditation, and the yoga, right? That's an awesome work contribution from your end to the society. End of the day, people will say that, oh Divya, so and so, these people have done a wonderful job, like that. A big applause for them. So I'm very happy today to be a part of this program from our channel end, and what I can say is we wish you good luck and all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, man. Thank you so much, Divya. Thank you so much for giving us an opportunity. Thank you, Lakshmi madam. And thank you, Pushpa madam. Yes. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇದರ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಆವರಣನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ನಡುವೆ ಯೋಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಹತ್ವಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇವರು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಧ್ಯಾನ, ಯೋಗ ಎರಡರ ಸಮ್ಮಿಶ್ರಣ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಕಾರಣ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸುಲಲಿತವಾಗಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಪೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ವಾತಾವರಣನೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡೋಣಂತೆ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇನ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
That's right.
ಎಸ್.
ಎಸ್, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಾ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಸ್. ರಕರಕವಾದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. These small books are all free. Yeah, we have power of speech, meditation, very, very easy, vegetarianism, mind, breathfulness meditation, Buddha CEO, pyramid caps ide, crystal pyramids ide.
ವಾವ್.
Yeah, it's very beautiful and energetic.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನು?
ಬುಕ್ಸು ಈ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಫಾರ್
Wow.
ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್.
ವಾವ್.
ಯಾ,
ಸೊ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ತಗೋಬೋದಾಗಲ್ಲ?
ಖಂಡಿತ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್.
Yes. That's so nice. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ನೋಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇದು.
Yeah.
Really impressing. and thanks for all the team.
I would like to give you meditation is very, very easy.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
this is for you, Ashwini.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Yes,
ಹೇಗೆ
ನಮ್ಗೆ
ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತ?
ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು.
Okay.
ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜೀಸ್.
ವಾವ್.
ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ,
ಓಕೆ
ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಅಂತ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
Yes, yes.
ಅಮೆಥಿಸ್ಟ್,
Yes, yes.
ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು,
ರೈಟ್.
sometimes crystal chooses you, you don't have to choose.
ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್.
Yeah, so ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಕ್ಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ವಾವ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು
Yes.
ಇದೆ.
ನಾನಂತೂ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಲೋ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೋಡಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ದಿ ಗುರು ಕಾಫಿ ಗುರು. ಎಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಸಿಂಧು ಅವರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಸಿಂಧು ಅವರೇ, ಕಾಫಿ ಗುರು, ವಾವ್, ಏನ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಗುರುನ ಒಂದು ಸಂಭ್ರಮ.
ಎಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ. ನಮ್ದೊಂದು ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಕವರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಒಂದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚಾರಿಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ.
ವಾವ್, ಸೋ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಧು.
ಎಸ್,
That's nice, that's nice. ನೋಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕಾಫಿ ಗುರು, ದಿ ಗುರು ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದು. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾಥ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಈ ಸತ್ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿರೋದು. ಆದಷ್ಟು ದಿ ಗುರುಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಾಫಿ ಗುರುನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
And,
ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ದಿನನ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಬಿಗಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ.
Right.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ
ತುಂಬಾ
ಮಚ್.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಾ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವ್ರ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ. ಮೋರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
ತುಂಬಾ
ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ-
ಸಪೋರ್ಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ವಿಶಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್.
ಓಕೆ,
Thank you. I wish you all the best.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Yes. Yes. Hi. How are you?
How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you. Yeah, same with us too. Yes. Sharing will save the world. Wow, what a message.
It's
Oh,
a very simple but profound statement, isn't it?
okay.
Yeah. So
Oh.
we're a group of volunteers
Mhm.
that are all over the world.
Mhm.
Share International,
Okay.
and we're here basically to share information about the return of Maitreya, the world teacher for this age,
Okay.
and his group, the Masters of Wisdom,
Uh-huh.
who are coming back into the world
Huh?
to live and work openly in the world for the next 2,000 plus years.
Awesome. Okay.
Also, we are introducing transmission meditation, which is a service meditation.
Okay.
So that's the kind of the nature of our volunteer work, is
Okay.
introducing people
Uh-huh.
to the ageless wisdom teachings, return of Maitreya, the master of wisdom, and transmission meditation.
Looks like you're a role model for everyone.
Yes.
At this age, you're
Yeah.
so encouraged, and you look so young, energetic in contributing to this good thought. We are really even thankful for you.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. We're very glad to be here.
Yes,
To be a
I
part
see
of it.
the book here, transmission.
Yes, it's a book
meditation.
that was written by Benjamin Creme,
Oh, okay.
and it goes into a lot more detail and depth about what transmission meditation
Okay.
is.
Do we need to purchase this book?
No, you don't.
Can I have one?
Yes. Mhm. Yeah. So, please take this.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you, sir. Thank you
You're
so
very
much.
You're welcome.
We wish you good luck
Yes,
from
thank
our
you
end.
very much.
Thank you. Thank you. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. What about the stall? Could you please explain?
Hello, hi. Hi, my name is Zia. So I wanted to present Rumi, the greatest, one of the great mystic poet from 13th century from Persia.
Mhm.
He is basically he spread the love towards the humanity regardless of what you
Wow.
are and what's your background or whatever.
Uh-huh.
He also he was a mystic spiritual leader.
Uh-huh.
So he basically created such a melody in his poetry and writing, melodious poems, and that reflects the love of him towards the nature, towards God, towards everything. Like so, there is no distinction between love towards anybody. So that's what he tried to, spread through his poetry and poem and literature.
That's so nice.
And
You are communicating with love.
that is the most intention. These are some of the verses or some of the quotes from Rumi that
Oh,
that I
that's so impressive.
that I
Suffering
like.
is a gift in it as a hidden mercy.
Yes,
Everything,
so
the universe is within you. Ask all from yourself. Oh my God, it's heart-touching message.
yes, so keep silent. So when you do meditation, that kind of reflects what we are doing here, what is our intention here. By doing the meditation, you are silencing yourself from everything surrounding you, but you are reflecting in yourself, so this is what it says, like keep silent because the world of silence is a vast fullness, right? So
Wow.
so then everything from your inner self will be more flourish by once in a while silencing yourself and reflecting yourself through meditation,
Controlling emotions.
controlling emotions. Yes,
Right.
quite obviously you can listen your surrounding better, right? So that is the whole idea of, like, you
That's a
don't
good
want it to just
message.
keep allowed yourself, but allow the nature and surrounding to come to you and embrace you.
That's nice. I see so many books over here.
Yes.
I saw Rumi's collections where he
The-
published.
yes, these are some of them. He has a huge collection. You can find, these are some of them that I collected. I bought them, and I like to recite poetry from them. I do have a YouTube channel,
Okay.
so it is called Butterfly, and
Okay.
I am just trying to promote Rumi through that channel.
Oh,
So
okay.
even though I'm not dedicating so much time on that, but soon I'm gonna start dedicating more
Yeah,
time
we
on that
wish you
one.
good luck
Yes,
for your YouTube channel.
thank you so much.
And
Yeah.
you're doing a wonderful job here.
Thank you so much.
So with
Appreciate
a lot
it.
of love you are doing.
Yes,
Yes,
that's the whole
that's
idea. We have to
that's
love each other regardless of where
yes,
what's your background, what's your faith,
yes.
what's